Hi everyone! In this video we will solve quadratic equations using the square root property. Solve 1/5 m squared plus 4 equals 9. The first thing we need to do is isolate that variable, and so we're going to do the opposite of the order of operations and backwards so that it negates each of the steps. So the first thing we want to do, the order of operations is parentheses, exponents, multiply and divide from left to right, add and subtract from left to right. So we're going to start over here and move backwards. So we're looking at adding and subtracting and doing the opposite of that. So the opposite thing we have here, we have a plus 4. So we need to subtract 4 from both sides. And we get 1/5 m squared left on the left side. And 9 minus 4 is 5 on the right side. Now that we've completed that step, we move to multiplying and dividing, and we'll do the opposite there. Here we're multiplying by 1/5, so the opposite is to divide by 1/5, but actually we don't divide fractions. We multiply by the reciprocal, and the reciprocal of 1/5 is 5 over 1, or just 5. So we'll multiply both sides by 5. On the left, 5 divided by 5 cancels, and 1 times m squared is just m squared. On the right side, 5 times 5 is 25, and now we've finished that step. So we can move on to exponents, which we actually have m squared. And the opposite of that, to negate the squared, is to square root. And we have to do it to both sides to keep the equal sign balanced. On the left, the square root of a squared cancels out, so we're left with m. And the square root of 25 is 5. And because both positive and negative 5 squared gives us 25, we have two answers. M equals positive 5 and m equals negative 5. And now we're all done.